Okay, I'm going to do a review of this electronic lighter by Flamgirlant. It is a little, you can see it's a little arc lighter, and it charges with a USB. USB port is right there, and it comes with a little USB cord about maybe that long that you can either plug into a computer or you can plug it into one of those outlet adapters. It charges very quickly. It has a light on it here. If I turn it on, you'll be able to see where the light, okay, you see the lights there indicate the level of battery charge. It really lasts quite a while, a few days. I suppose more if you're lighting candles constantly or doing something, but otherwise it does last a long time. Charges very quickly, less than a half hour, the whole thing's all charged up. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I got this candle that you can see is kind of burnt down in there, and we're going to put this in there and fire it up and see how it works. So here we go. We're going to put it in here, and see where you put it right in there. Right about there is what we're going to do. And then we're going to fire it up. And voila, it's lit. I don't know if you can see if it's lit too good in the light. I'll turn this light off so we can see the light better. There you go. And that was from just giving this a little it's just an arc, an electric arc, and that's what does the lighting. It weighs about as much as a good pen, and it's maybe a bit longer than a pen, maybe about, I would say a decent size pen, at least like the kind I carry, would be about this long, and so this is just a tad longer than that. Very nice, easy to hold. It has a nice looped area here if you want to put it on a lanyard or hang it on a hook or something. So anyway, that's it, and I think it's a good deal. I bought 2 of them, and I'll probably buy more of them. All right, that's my review. Enjoy.
I'm excited. This smells really great. Here's my new lighter. It works great.